In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing invoices, tracking expenses, or reviewing past transactions, QuickBooks Online makes it simple to find exactly what you need in just a few steps. With its powerful search functionality, you can quickly pull up the right information without wasting time scrolling through endless lists. And if you're new to QuickBooks Online, there's a link in the description below where you can create your account and get started today. Now let's dive into the tutorial. First, locate the search bar at the top of the QuickBooks Online interface. This is your starting point for any search. It's prominently displayed so you won't have to hunt for it. Once you've found it, click into the search bar to activate it. You'll notice that it becomes ready for input as soon as you click, so you can begin typing right away. Next, type in what you're searching for. This could be a specific name, a transaction type, a date, or even a keyword related to the information you're trying to find. For example, you might enter the name of a client, the word invoice, or a date like September 15th. If you're unsure of the exact details, don't worry. QuickBooks is designed to help you with partial information too. After typing, press Enter on your keyboard or simply wait for QuickBooks to display matching results. The system is quite intuitive and will start showing relevant results as soon as it processes your input. This eliminates the need to manually sift through your data. Once the search results appear, review them carefully. QuickBooks will display a list of items that match your search criteria. When you find what you're looking for, click on that item to access it. This could open an invoice, a report, or any other record related to your search. For even more powerful searches, you can use plain language prompts. QuickBooks Online's AI-powered search understands natural language, so you can type something like invoices from March over 500 sorted by amount, or expenses last quarter for office supplies sorted by date. These kinds of queries allow you to find highly specific information without needing to know an exact name or ID. Be sure to include specific details in your searches whenever possible. For instance, adding names, dates, or amounts can help refine your results and make your search faster. If you don't have the exact name of a transaction, try using keywords from memos or descriptions. This is especially helpful if you're searching for something like a payment or expense with a unique note attached. Another way to narrow down your search is by specifying a date or a date range, for example. You can type this month, last year, or even a specific range like July 1st to July 31st. This is particularly useful when you're working with a large volume of transactions and need to focus on a specific time period. Finally, as a best practice, avoid entering sensitive information like passwords or private notes into the search bar. The search function is not designed to handle confidential data, so it's important to keep your queries safe and relevant. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be able to master the search feature in QuickBooks Online and find the information you need with ease. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.